Hi! Welcome back to the Bear Making YouTube channel. Today we're going to make a baby rattle out of skateboards, some leather, some popcorn, and some oak. Let's do it! We're done. Almost fell over. Yeah, I think it came out well. The shape here isn't really uniform because I did it by hand, but it's good enough. It looks cool. I like it. I had to try a few different materials for the inside to get it to actually sound nice. First I tried rice. That was terrible. I didn't like that at all. You could barely hear it. And then I just happened to have popcorn sitting on the counter, and I was like, oh, well, let's try that, and it works pretty well. I'm not sure how I feel about the leather on there. I mean, it looks nice, but I think it would have looked nicer if I had just left the skateboard there. Which I could have done, since I glued it up into 3 chunks like this. But I wanted to try this, so I tried it, and now I know. I mean, it's not terrible. It's cool, and it's got, I don't know, it makes it sound a little different, but either way. I was debating on whether or not to put something on the end of it here. I'm glad I did, because I really like how that looks. It just gives it something else down there instead of just ending with the oak handle. But, like the pin I made in my last video, I made it out of recycled skateboards because it's going to my buddy Nate down in Arizona, who made my video intro for me. So at the beginning of the video, with the animation with the paw print coming up and burning away to the Bare Naked logo, he did all that for me because I have no idea how to do it. So we just worked out a trade. He only asked me for the pen. He said if I wanted to send him a sweet pen, that'd be cool, otherwise no big deal. But I figured the intro came out a lot nicer than I expected, so I was going to do something else too. And I had an idea for a while to try to make a rattle for their baby, because I wanted to make one, and at the time they were like the only people that had a baby that would still enjoy a rattle. So I'll probably make a couple more, try out a couple different techniques, maybe in future videos for some other babies that I know now. Cool. Alright, well anyway, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go now. I've been rambling for long enough, and you have things to do, I'm sure. I have things to do, so let's get out of here. Peace out.